Good afternoon, all dear student. Today I am going to teach you effect of heat. So, student, effect of heat means in previous standards we have studied two effect of heat on matter. One is expansion and contraction, and second is change of state. Those are the two effect of heat on matter. In this lesson, we are going to learn about more about expansion. You will learn about change of state of matter in higher standard. देखो जो चेंज ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ मैटर होता है, जैसे कि सॉलिड का लिक्विड, लिक्विड का गैस, गैस का अगेन क्या होगा, लिक्विड होगा, ये होगा स्टेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मैटर होगा, ठीक है। और जो एक्सपांशन है वो क्या होता है, व्हेन हीट इज़ गिवन टू एनी सब्सटेंस इट्स टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज एंड इट एक्सपांड। जब हम किसी सब्सटेंस को हीट देते हैं तो टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होने के वजह से वो सब्सटेंस क्या होता है, एक्सपांड होता है। इट्स एक्सपांशन डिपेंड ऑन द इंक्रीज इन इट्स टेम्परेचर। सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसेस ऑल एक्सपांड ऑन रिसीविंग हीट। ये जो एक्सपांशन होता है सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैसेस का, ये बिकॉज ऑफ दे रिसीविंग द हीट, ठीक है। तो देखो एक्सपांशन ऑफ सॉलिड कैसे होता है, लीनियर एक्सपांशन। द लीनियर एक्सपांशन ऑफ सॉलिड is in increase in length of wire or rod of solid due to increase in its temperature। अगर सॉलिड मतलब जो लीनियर एक्सपांशन में क्या होता है, जो सॉलिड होता है अगर उसका लेंथ इंक्रीज होता है, लेंथ इंक्रीज होगा, सपोज वायर है, ठीक है, नहीं तो रॉड है, ये रॉड तो सॉलिड होता है, तो इनका टेम्परेचर अगर हम क्या करेंगे, इंक्रीज करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएंगे, एक्सपांड हो जाएंगे। when we increase the temperature of rod of length L1 from T1 to T2 length, its length becomes L2. The change in length is proportional to the original length and the increase in temperature theta T is equal to T2 minus T1. So we can write the change in length as follow. Change in length alpha, original length x means multiply change in temperature, जो L2 रहेगा, L2 माइनस L1 इज ग्रेटर दैन L1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय हीट T, ठीक है। ये इक्वेशन दिया। हेयर लैम्डा इज अ कॉन्स्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड द कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ लीनियर एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सॉलिड टेम्परेचर। तो देखो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द सम सब्सटेंस दिए, जैसे कि कॉपर है, उसका 17 है, अल्कोहल है 1.0 है, हाइड्रोजन है 3.66 है, ठीक है। और द एक्सपांशन कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट सब्सटेंस आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अबव फार्मूला। वी कैन सी दैट इफ वी टेक टू रॉड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट सब्सटेंस both having the same length and increase their temperature by the same amount, the rod of substance having higher expansion coefficient will expand more, thus increase in its length will be larger। तो ये अगर मैं आपको ऐसे बताऊंगी तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, इससे रिलेटेड मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है।
Have you ever rubbed metal continuously with its surface? If so, you would have noticed that metal gradually changes its shape. It expands, therefore, there is change in either its area, volume, or shape. Even when iron is exposed to heat, it expands. These are all the effects of thermal expansion. So, what is thermal expansion? It is a process in which a body expands in either area, volume, or shape when heated. Thermal expansion occurs in solids, liquids, and gases. Let's consider solids. When a solid is heated, it expands in size and shape, resulting in an increase in length, area, or volume of the solid. This is known as a thermal expansion of solids. When a solid is heated, the molecules that make up the solid begin to vibrate. This takes up more space and the solid matter expands.
Let's see this with the help of activity 1 to demonstrate thermal expansion in solids. Let's take a metallic ball as shown and a metal ring through which the ball can just pass at room temperature. Now heat the metal ball over a flame for a few minutes. You will be surprised to see that after heating the ball, it does not pass through the ring. The ball size increases. Now allow the ball to cool down to room temperature. Now again try to pass the ball. It easily passes through the ring. This means that the metallic ball on heating, its size increases so it does not pass through the ring. This increase in the size of the solid on heating is called expansion. Thus, we conclude that the solids expand on heating.
Next, let's study thermal expansion in liquids. Like solids, liquids also expand when heated. However, since liquid particles are usually less tightly bound to other particles, they generally move further than solid particles when heated. Hence, liquid expands more than solid when exposed to the same temperature.
Now, let's perform another activity to demonstrate thermal expansion in liquids. Take a round bottom flask as shown here. Now fill with colored water up to its neck. Insert a long tube in a single hold cork and fix the flask properly. Place the entire apparatus on a tripod stand for heating. Mark the initial level P1 of the water in the glass tube and start heating the flask. Observation. You will observe that the water level falls to P2 and on further heating, the water level reaches up to P3. Thus, we conclude that the liquid expands on heating.
Finally, let us see how gases react when they are heated. Gases expand most when heated. This is because gas particles are far apart and are weakly attracted to each other. It is much easier for them to move further than solids or liquid particles when heated. Heat causes the atoms of the gas to vibrate and take up more space.
Now, let's perform final activity to demonstrate thermal expansion in gases. Take an empty bottle and a balloon. Now, fix the balloon on the mouth of the bottle. Once the balloon is fixed, it's time to now move to the next step. Take 2 pans of water. In the first pan, take icy cold water, and In the second pan, take hot boiling water. Now, take the bottle with the balloon and place it into the pan having hot water and observe what happens to the balloon. As you can see, the balloon inflates. Now, take the bottle out of the pan and place it on the table for cooling. From here, we can conclude that the gases expand on heating and their expansion is very large as compared to solids and liquids.
Let's summarize what we learned today. Solids, liquids, and gases expand when heated. Thermal expansion causes an object to expand when heated. Gases expand most when heated.
This was our today's lecture, student. I hope you understood each and everything. Thank you. Bye bye.